Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to view your watch history on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your TikTok app and open your profile and click on this 3-line icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on settings and privacy and tap on privacy. And here you'll find download your data option, so click on that. And here you will need to request data, so select a file here and then click on request data and you will get a data request confirmation. Then on the download data tab you can see the status of your request. For now it says pending, which means TikTok is processing your request. It usually takes about 24 hours and after that you will be able to see your watch history on TikTok. If you think to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.